Oh, hi. I was gonna film this on my camcorder, but for some reason it's making my face look really lopsided and I don't know how to fix that, and I'm not about to come on here with half my face down and the other side up. It looks weird. But we're leaving. We're going to the station, having a bit of a late start, but that's okay. I need to go to 7-Eleven, take out cash, because I think it's cash only at this place. Did I say that I'm going to a bakery? We're going to a bakery. I'm a huge pastry supporter, so I'm really excited about this. So yeah, let's go.
次は高円寺、お出口は右側です。The train is going to JB4. The doors on the right side will open. Please change it for the Mantochi subway line.
Okay, so my Wi-Fi is not working. I don't know what to do, but I'm not that far from it. I think if I go down this road, I should be good. Fingers crossed. I'll let you know when I get back. I think it's working. Oh, I don't know. Yo, I just got a jasmine tea. Hold on. Looks like this. I don't know if I'm showing it. Maybe. That. Okay. It's really good. It doesn't need that much sweetness, so pleasantly surprised. And I'm gonna go stand in line for Toho Bakery because when I passed it, that line was very long. But that's okay. I have nothing else to do today. So, why not? Okay, I'm done. I feel like I'm sweating, but nature is nice, so let's chill.